If you've been on the internet, you've probably seen these people right here. But the kicker is they are generated with an AI and they are making millions of dollars on TikTok Shop and for brands that are using them in their advertising.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm an AI and this is a test. I heard about Adrian Viral AI marketing on YouTube and saw his recent video on AI UGC creators. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm going to start it a little bit differently. I'm going to start it with the results, and that is my AI generated avatar, and it's going to explain what today's video is about. Hey guys, what is up? Today I want to cover a very popular topic, and that is AI UGC creatives. It is quite possibly the biggest way AI is branching out right now, and it will allow you to go viral on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you want, without even having to film yourself or film random people to sell your product, to tell stories, or to basically do whatever you want. So really quick, what is UGC? It's user-generated content. It's essentially an alternative to brands taking a celebrity, filming videos with them, and running it as an ad. In that case, it's very recognizable, but it's not very relatable. So to be relatable, brands will contact hundreds of people with minimal amounts of followers, traditionally on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, to review their product. They're not necessarily looking for the reach and exposure from the person. They're mostly looking for the content that makes their product or brand look good. They can then repurpose this content on ads or to try to get it to go viral organically. So, as you can imagine, it costs significantly more to hire a celebrity like LeBron James than it would some random person with 100 followers. But it still costs money and time to do it the traditional way. But with AI, everything is so much more simple. You can create hundreds and hundreds of videos for relatively free and spam them out on every single platform that you have, or tweak every little word that they're saying to make it perfect, and do this all from your computer. And how I'm doing it right now, where I'm just talking into my microphone and I'm not at my apartment and I'm not at my balcony. Okay, so the platform we're going to be using for this video is called HeyGen. You can head over to heygen.com, go to the website right here, and see the demo video. Hey guys, I am now logged into my profile and I'm already on the model that I generated earlier today. To generate this model, I took a 2 to 5 minute video of me talking on my balcony in that exact position, and I gave it to the AI. Once I uploaded it, it took about 10 minutes for them to create the model, and then you can get into an editor like this. Currently, I'm showing you how to do it for yourself. If you film yourself, you'll need consent from the person that the video is created by. And in this case, I'm going to show you myself, and then later on I'll show you the other avatars that you can use if you don't want to use yourself. But using yourself is a great example because here I am in the bottom, and this is actually a video recording, but it really easily could be UGC creative that I did with the AI in this exact order, and you probably wouldn't know, especially because it's so small. Hey guys, what's up? I'm currently at home on my balcony, and I want to tell you about something really cool that I just created. It's called the AI Mastery Course. It includes 500 videos that go in depth on crazy marketing techniques that you can use to make billions of dollars today. Swipe up for more info. So once we have the recording, we simply add it to the scene. It will then transcribe it, and it will load it up into the little player down here. And once we have all the parts that we want, we can generate, and I'll show you what the results are. They should look pretty similar to the video that we previously saw. And we're ready. We have both scenes. The first scene is me recording my voice, and then the AI creates my avatar around my voice. And then the second one is I just typed in the transcript of what the previous one is, and the AI is generating both my voice and my video. This is useful if you can't record your own voice, or you don't want to use your voice, you want to use, someone else's generated voice. But both ways work, and effectively what we're doing is we're going from text to video with voice or voice to video with voice to create end results. And here are the results. Keep in mind, the stuff I said was completely made up, but if it actually was a product, I could take this, trim it, put it on a story, get some leads, see where it goes. But let's see what the results look like. Keep in mind the first half was my audio, the second half was generated. I think the generated part was not as good, specifically because of the model 5-minute video that I used to train the model and how the audio could have suffered a little bit in that recording. Hey guys, what's up? I'm currently at home on my balcony and I want to tell you about something really cool that I just created. It's called the AI Mastery Course. It includes 500 videos that go in depth on crazy marketing techniques that you can use to make billions of dollars today. Swipe up for more info.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm currently at home on my balcony, and I want to tell you about something really cool that I just created. It's called the AI Mastery Course. It includes 500 videos that go in depth on crazy marketing techniques that you can use to make billions of dollars today. Swipe up for more info.
So, we have my results, but what if you want to generate from an avatar of someone else? Well, HeyGen has plenty of avatars right here. Let's go down, maybe pick Leo's, and pick him maybe sitting down like this. And then I guess I chose vertical this time, so we're gonna want to just line him up right here, and then I'm gonna paste in the script, the same script that I had before, and we're gonna generate this creative with someone else. So you get the point. The idea is you could effectively make a script, have it read out by hundreds of people, post them on different pages, post them on your stories, on, business accounts, run them as ads, do pretty much everything. I'm going to make a second follow-up video going into a lot more depth. I wanted to make this one specifically on the avatar and just the simple output of reading a script. So I'm going to hit generate and show you guys what the results are from this. Okay, so we hit a little bit of a snag. I don't know if it's because I said billions of dollars or what, but it got a content block, so it didn't generate that video. I changed the script to something else. The whole point really is to just show that you can get people saying different things, and this is the result of what it came up with.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm an AI and this is a test. I heard about Adrian Viral AI marketing on YouTube and saw his recent video on AI UGC creators. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm actually super impressed with HeyGen, to be honest. I think with better videos, I could have created a better model, both video and voice for myself. I think there's so many possibilities of generating other people and other things for your business. And I know for a fact you could get millions of views on these, and just getting someone to record something like this, I've worked with many companies that'll pay $100, $200, $300, $400 to people over and over again to create these just for their ad library. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to continue this series, and I'll see you guys later.